Petito with PPTC Fitness, and today I want to show everybody how to condense their workouts down so they can get an actual workout in, whether they have some free time or just have this much free time. A lot of people find that as an excuse, like, man, I just can't get a workout in throughout my day. I'm so busy. You know, everybody's busy. Everybody's busy. But you look at the guys like The Rock, you look at guys like Kevin Hart, look how much they do throughout the day, and they still work out. So come on, we can do it too. Now check it out. I want to break it down for you guys and show a density circuit. It's going to be a beginner's density circuit today, and it's something you can use and take with you on the road. And what's nice about density circuits is that you can pretty much do them anywhere because you're going to be all body weight. So let me show everybody and break it down. All we're going to do is 5 reps for each exercise, and we're going to see how many times we can go through this circuit in 15 minutes. That's all you need today is 15 minutes. Now you can also break it down to 10 if you need to, but I know we can find 15 minutes in our day, everybody. So first things first, we want to do a prisoner squat. So how we're going to do it is we're going to interlock our fingers. We're going to put our hands behind our head, spread our feet, and do our squat. Now, as you notice, I'm going through the motion pretty quickly, but I'm making sure that my form is still correct. Very important. Next, we're going to go ahead with the standard push-up. I talked to everybody in a video about this recently, a couple days ago actually, and I want everybody to remember the couple of cues that we talked about with our standard push-up. If you didn't get to see the video, go watch it. But make sure that we got proper posture, okay? Butt not down or up. Keep the elbows tucked in at a 45-degree angle, and keep that chin up or tucked. And we're going to do a push-up. After the push-ups, right away, we're going to stand up. We're going to do 5 crane lunges, not alternating on each leg. So a crane lunge, what we're going to do is we're going to bring it up. Have you ever seen the Karate Kid? The crane kick that he does at the end of the show? That's how we're going to start our lunge. So we're going to get up in a crane, we're going to lunge out, and then push back up. Notice how I'm coming back into a crane on the way back up too. We want to be explosive. Okay? Not alternating. I'm going to do 5 on the right, then I'm going to do 5 on the left. Okay? The next thing we're going to do in the final part of it is a Russian twist. So we're going to get down on the floor, basic Russian twist. We're going to get our feet off the ground, arms up here, interclasp the hands. You can use some weight if you want to, but you don't need to. And then we're going to rotate, hip, and get our whole core to rotate with us. Okay? And I want to do 10 on each side. After you're done, you pop back up and go right back into the prisoner squat. Try to take no breaks throughout this whole density workout. And this is just a beginner's workout. So what I'm going to do in the next coming weeks, I'm going to bring out some intermediate and advanced density circuits that everybody can kind of follow. I hope everybody enjoyed the video. If you like, leave a like. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please do so. My name is Ronnie Petito with PPTC Fitness. Until next time.